Is the G11 Pro 6K drone the ultimate budget-friendly professional drone? We're going to put it to the test. In this in-depth review where you are watching some of the footage right now, we're going to explore its stunning 6K camera. Now let's be clear to separate two things. So you're going to get 6K still images, but it's still going to deliver crisp and smooth 4K 30 frames per second video. It has a 3-axis brushless gimbal which ensures incredibly stable footage even in windy conditions. In lots of this footage, you're watching me fly it over Tampa Bay on a windy day, and it is so impressive how well it did. With 2 batteries providing a combined 70 minutes of flight time and a massive 10,000 foot long range, this drone is perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial views. I hope you're seeing it. I hope that's how it came out. You know, I don't get to see these images while I'm shooting it. I don't get to see them until post. So you're kind of experiencing it with me. It is FAA compliant, and it includes intelligent features like auto return, GPS follow me, and a reasonable selection of flight modes. I'm still wondering, does this drone live up to the hype? Is it perfect for adults, beginners, and professional photographers alike? I did a full range flight test. I checked the image quality, I checked the video quality. You know what, why don't we go to the beach right when I finished up all of these flights and that kind of stuff and get my actual at the beach, done flying it, my review of my experience actually using this. Let's go ask Doug right now what he thought. Hey, I hope this audio is good. I am a little near the road, but the beach was so beautiful. I am flying this as we speak. I am just getting a really nice shot. You may have seen it earlier in the video, flying along the causeway. It is absolutely beautiful. I am sure the shot looks epic. I have been shooting some jet skis. You saw it fly around my neighborhood. I did a distance. Let's go over the things you want to know about this drone, because there are some amazing things about this drone and maybe even a negative. But let's start with the amazing things. Number one, out of the box, it is sexy. I'm saying this drone is sexy. It is so cool looking, so different. The colors are great. The style is great. It is completely unique, which is so unusual in this marketplace. You gotta see it. It is great. The color, everything, so cool. All right, enough about that. Let's talk about using it. First off, the remote is perfect. So comfortable in your hands, works so well. One little mini complaint, I told you there'd be some mini complaints. As you can see or can't see, the text on it is a little dim when you're in direct sunlight. There may be a setting to adjust that. I gotta say, I didn't look into the settings. Maybe there's a firmware update coming, but that is such a small thing. While we're talking about the range is phenomenal on this. I got much better range than my DJIs with this. No brainer, much better range with it. And it does a phenomenal job of watching the battery, the distance, the return to home. All of that works perfectly, which is really what you want on a drone at this level. It is like completely reliable, hands-free, which is an amazing thing. Image quality, both photos and video, you've seen, and you'll make your own decision on that. For me, I think it's outstanding for what this is. Obviously, it does have some shortcomings, which I still haven't figured out why I can't get these drone companies to correct this. Like, I would really like the ability to shoot at a higher frame rate than 30 frames a second in 4K to be able to get some cool slow motion, kind of like cool, buttery, smooth, amazing imagery. But maybe one day that'll come. You can definitely step down. I think it was at 2K, you could go to 50 frames a second, which is really cool. You know, 2K is absolutely a HD image, no matter how you want to slice it up. And to get it at 50 frames a second, we're getting closer there, but I think it's time to be able to do 4K at a more advanced frame rate. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna bring the drone back and we're gonna keep doing this interview. Return home, one button, press the button. I'm not even gonna watch it. It is literally far away right now. So I'm gonna keep talking to you while it flies back. One of the other things which you may or may not have seen from this review, the battery life is awesome. Really gets a good quality battery life out of it, and the batteries don't even take that long to recharge. One interesting thing about the batteries is they kind of have a cool look too. The batteries are kind of white with a green cover. They look awesome. I really do like the uniqueness of the look on this. It is flying back just fine. That is so nice. I don't even have to worry about it. The return to home precision has been outstanding. I did follow me using the GPS mode. That worked great. It doesn't have a ton of those pre-programmed flight modes, which I actually almost never use, like the selfie and the droney and the rocket mode. I almost never use them, so that's probably why these brands are starting to stop including them with the drones, because I don't think anybody really uses them. The droney shot you use every once in a while. On the DJIs, their master shot, where it does a whole bunch of them and you can pick the clips you want. That's a really cool function. That's my recommendation. Add something like that master shot in the future. All right, so it's halfway back. Anyway, I'm gonna say, if you're looking for an amazing drone and annoying people at the beach, come to Tampa for the annoying people at the beach. They are always here, and it's ridiculous. And fabulous recommendation for this drone. Let me show it to you as we check out. In case you didn't know, that's drone training. If you turn them upside down, they turn off. So if you hand catch it and it doesn't instantly turn on, turn it upside down and you're good. All right, the annoying people are back to full volume. So I'm gonna say, if you want this drone, there could be a link right here on the bottom of the screen. Worst case, it is in the description. Helps out the channel. We do appreciate that a lot. Also, like, subscribe, and put in the comments, are you annoyed by this music at the beach? I don't know why nobody does anything about it in Tampa. Tampa, do something about the annoying music at the beach, because it is always going on. There's always somebody with this crappy music on. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching the video. Appreciate it. This was a little different way to finish it up. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.